You love doing gardening but no time, or else if you love gardening and there's no time for a busy person like you, then these plants are for you. No need to fertilize, no need to much care. They are low maintenance and permanent. So have these plants and make a beautiful garden. See until the end so that you will see the list of plants that you can easily maintain and grow. Less maintenance plants or a busy gardener's plants are these Pedilanthus. Pedilanthus you can grow from a stem. This is an ideal indoor plant. They can grow them very easily with a stem cutting, and these are low maintenance but permanent. This is for a lazy gardener because they are permanent and low maintenance. Syngonium plants. Syngonium plants also a busy gardener's plants. If you have no time to care, if you have no time to water every day, this is an ideal plant because you can grow them with a small stem cutting, and also these are low maintenance but permanent. Keep them in a corner where they get the partial to medium sunlight. These plants comes in various varieties. You can collect them all. Now this is a dwarf syngonium and I have the pink syngonium, and there's a common syngonium as well. This is a common syngonium. They are known as arrowhead as well. When it comes to easy maintenance, low maintenance or low care plants, spider plant I recommend, friends, because this is one of the plants which you can grow very easily. Less care. With a simple garden soil, put them in a plastic pot or whatever the container that you have and put them in the shade. You will see amazing growth. This is a plant that you can start up gardening with. This is an air purifier too. They are low maintenance. Only thing is do not pour water regular basis because these plants doesn't like getting too much of water. That will lead to root rot. There are many videos which I have put. You can also watch them after this video to get more information. Aloe vera. This plant is a succulent and also a vastu plant. You can grow them with small bulbs or with a leaf. So this plant is ideal for a lazy gardener or a busy gardener who doesn't have time to care for plants. No watering is needed on regular basis, and also these plants you can expose to medium to bright sunlight, but it should be indirect, otherwise the leaves will get easily burnt out. So this is a medicinal plant too. So grow this beautiful aloe vera plant because this is ideal if you are a busy person. Coleus plants. Another lazy gardener's easy to grow plant. With a stem cutting in water, within 2 days you will see they are rooting, and also no need of any rooting hormones. These plants are ideal to decorate your home garden. So grow them from stems, keep it in the shade, not in the bright light area. Another beginner gardener's plant, very easy to maintain. Sansevieria plants are also very beautiful and also decorative, and these plants are air purifiers. So I suggest you keeping them indoors, and also this is a beautiful plant. Their leaf is so attractive and elegant. Put them in small planters, and after some time when the plant matures you can put them in separate pots, and these plants are also lazy gardeners plants. You can multiply them by dividing, or else put a single leaf in soil. Next lazy gardener's plant is this Seze plant. You can grow and multiply them with single leaf cuttings, and also they are easy to grow, low maintenance, without fertilizer also you can grow them. Once you put a small leaf in the soil, you will see that they will grow soon. And this is another plant as a beginner gardener, or else if you are starting up gardening, put this as an indoor plant. They love the shade. And one thing you'll have to keep in mind is not to over water. Grow these beautiful Dracaena plants from stems. They are also lazy gardeners or easy plants to grow, and this is also you can grow without fertilizer. This is another beginner gardener's plant and also permanent and also low maintenance. Palm plants. Palm plants also very easy to grow. You can divide and multiply them. Keep them in the shade or as indoor plants. These plants are also low maintenance and permanent, and one of the lazy gardener's plants. You can easily maintain them. This is one of my huge palm plants. I have kept it at the entrance. Umbrella plant, easy to grow from stems. Bamboo plants. And here I have the rubber plant. These are all very easy to grow plants. Rubber plant you can easily grow from a leaf. Wandering Joe plants, they are also beginner gardeners or busy gardeners plants. You don't need to water them every day, you don't need to fertilize them. These are grown by stem cuttings. A very small stem cutting will be enough. And these days we are getting too much of rain, and the condition of my plant is like this because I have kept it outdoors in a shady area. So these are lazy gardeners plants, very low maintenance, easy to grow. Look at this beautiful plant. This also you can grow with a stem, and also they grow like weeds. This plant I brought a very small cutting from a friend of mine, and now my plant is like this. It's covered the whole pot and the whole area. I haven't given any fertilizer. I gave only a little bit of cocoa peat in the mixture of the soil and sand and garden soil. So you can see how beautiful and colorful this plant is. This is also another lazy gardener's plant. Looks like Wandering Jew, but it's very thicker, the stems are. Jade plants, they are succulents, and you can put them many small cuttings in any ceramic pot or any small tiny planters, and you will have a good collection of jade plants. Jade plants also a low maintenance permanent plant and a lazy gardener's plant. These are beautiful plants of jade. Another succulent plant for you, a lazy gardener's plant, because these are very easy to grow. I have put it in a small clay pot. And then again we have these moss rose plants. Put more small cuttings of moss rose. They will also grow very beautifully. Very easy to grow. Pandanus plants, another easy to grow low maintenance plant. This is one of the permanent plant and need no fertilizer to grow. Philodendron, another easy to grow plant. There are many varieties, and this is one of the golden variety that I have. No fertilizer needed and very easy to propagate. Snake plants, look at these. They are also in many varieties. They are air purification plants, and inside I have this peperonia plant. I put a small stem in my ceramic jug. Swiss cheese plant. This is another beautiful plant, easy to grow and low maintenance. You can grow from them cuttings. Low maintenance too, no need to regular watering. Pothos plants are beginner gardener's plants, very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent, and also this is one of the plants that you can have because if you are a busy person or you have no time to maintain, even with or without fertilizer you can grow these plants. Here are some of my cuttings which I have put. Golden pothos, marble queen pothos. So hope you find it very useful, the list of plants for easy gardening or lazy gardening or a busy gardener. So if you are a person who doesn't have much space, much time to maintain, these plants are the best for you. So stay tuned with me for more upcoming videos. Subscribe and stay tuned to Tamara's Garden for more upcoming gardening videos. Thanks for watching, friends.